Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here. Welcome to another episode of Blogging 101. In this episode, we will take a look into 5 unusual ways of doing SEO for your blog. So let's take a look. Before I get into the topic, just a quick introduction about me. My name is Mani Karthik and I'm from India. I'm a blogger. In the last 10 plus years, I've been working in the US and Middle East, helping small and big companies win online with successful online marketing strategies and SEO. And I got bored, so I quit my corporate job in the US and I got back to India, and I'm completely dedicated to blogging, and I'm a full-time blogger now, and I work out of my home office, sharing everything that I've learned in the last 10 plus years about online marketing and starting your business, entrepreneurship, and everything in between on this channel as well as my blog. Great, so let's get into the topic today. So when I talk about SEO, typically people say that they already know about SEO. It's all about changing page titles or keyword research and things like that, which is true, but there are some things about SEO that are lesser known and lesser spoken about. So these 5 tips that I'm going to share with you today are going to be, I hope, lesser known and will actually give you a better result in terms of SEO on your blog. So let's take a look. So the number 1 tip is interlinking. Whenever you write articles on your blog, make sure that you interlink to other articles through keyword matches. What that means is, if you have an article on, let's say, red car, and you're writing an article on blue car, in the article about blue car, make sure that you link to red car article with red car or something related to red car as the anchor text. When I say anchor text, the word you use to link to that particular article. Don't overdo it, but 1 link per paragraph would be a good number that you're looking at. Number 2 is headings. When I say headings, not just the main heading of the article, but in the article you have to have a particular format whereby you follow a hierarchy of headings. Now, this depends on the theme that you're using, but today a lot of modern clean themes, what they do is they have a hierarchy already defined, which means it starts with the H1, which is the main heading of the article. Then it comes to H2 and H3 and H4s. And I would suggest using a lot of subheadings in the article where you use H2s or H3s. Don't jumble up the order. Don't add many H1s in the article. H1s are best put in just 1 heading in 1 article, and the rest of them can be repetitive. So they could be more H2s and H3s or H4s, and make sure it's in a hierarchical order. 3 is answer all questions possible on that particular topic that you're writing. I've told this a couple of times, but if you are writing an article on 1 particular keyword or 1 particular topic, make sure that you answer all questions related to that topic or that keyword in that article. And how you could do this is look into Google's feature. I probably will have a screenshot somewhere here, which has something like people also asked for and a couple of questions. So whenever you type in a keyword into Google, it will show you what are the related questions people ask to that keyword. Make sure you follow that and add all of that relevant content into the article with the headings and everything else optimized for those additional questions. Number 4 is page load time, which is very important. Today, you can use certain tools like Pingdom, the link to which I'll put in the descriptions. And there are many other tools too, where if you just give in the URL of your blog, it will show you how much time it takes for your website or blog to load. And the least time it takes, the better it is. So if it takes 1 second or 2 seconds, it's very good. But if it takes more than 5 seconds or 6 seconds, it is not good for your blog, because Google suggests and Google favors websites that loads faster, because everybody's on mobile phones and tablets, and it shouldn't be taking too long for a website to load. So the faster your website loads, the better it is. The 5th point, and the last one, is 10x content. Follow the 10x content rule. And this is something coined and formulated by a gentleman called as Rand Fishkin. And it basically tells that if you are writing an article on a particular topic, go into Google and look at what are the top 10 results for that particular topic. And the article that you write should be better than the 10 results up there on Google. All right, so that should be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please let me know if you know of any other SEO tips that you have used successfully on your blog. Let me know in comments, or if you have any questions or suggestions about whatever I just said or my presentation or this video, please let me know. See you soon. Thanks, bye.